Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to EduLite YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hoping everyone is fine. Dear students, today we are going to cover 9th Standard Social Science in Economics. Chapter number 31, Money and Credit. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. First, fill in the blanks with suitable words. 1. Indian rupee is derived from Sanskrit word rupiah. 2. Check is an instrument for non-cash transactions. 3. The banks which deal with foreign currency are called foreign exchange banks. 4. The Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935. 5. The money of Japan is yen. 6. Government of India nationalized 12 commercial banks in 1969. Second, answer the following questions. 7. What is barter exchange system? Answer. The barter exchange system is a method of trading where goods and services are directly exchanged for other goods and services without using money as a medium. 8. State the means of money. Answer. The means of money are medium of exchange, measure of value, store of value, standard of deferred payments. 9. Which is the Central Bank of India? Answer. The Central Bank of India is the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. 10. Explain the functions of money. The functions of money include acting as a medium of exchange, serving as a measure of value to compare goods and services, providing a store of value for future use, being a standard for deferred payments in credit transactions. 11. Mention the different types of banks. Answer. The different types of banks are commercial banks, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, development banks, central bank, Reserve Bank of India. 12. Explain the functions of RBI. Answer. The functions of the Reserve Bank of India include issuing currency, controlling credit in the economy, supervising and regulating other banks, managing foreign exchange reserves, acting as a banker to the government and banks. All right, let's dive into the activities. 3. Activities. 1. Give a report on the functions of commercial banks with real observation. Answer. Commercial banks perform the following functions: accepting deposits from the public, providing loans and advances for various purposes, offering ATM services for cash withdrawal, issuing debit and credit cards, facilitating online fund transfers through NEFT, RTGs, and IMPs, and supporting businesses with trade finance and letter of credit. 2. Visit your nearest bank and observe their functions. Answer. During a visit to a bank, you can observe these functions: account opening for savings, current and fixed deposits, processing of loans like personal, home, and education loans, cash transactions at the counter, digital banking services explanation, and customer support for financial queries. Moving on to the project section. IVOI. Project 1. Explain the evolution of money with pictorial information. Prepare a report or chart to explain the stages of money evolution. The barter system, where goods and services were exchanged directly. Commodity money, where items like grains, cattle, or salt were used as money. Metallic money, which included coins made from gold, silver, and copper. Paper money, with currency notes issued by the government and banks. And digital money, which includes online transactions, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So, we have seen the question answers in this chapter. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.